that 1983 में शेवनिंग स्कॉलरशिप मिलना शुरू हुई थी एंड तभी से इंडिया के 3,900 लोगों को स्कॉलरशिप बेनिफिट कर चुकी है. स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द शेवनिंग स्कॉलरशिप यू हैव टू प्रूव दैट you are capable of leadership roles. You have the potential, you have the leadership potentials. जो 45 lakhs to 48 lakhs का अमाउंट है उसमें से 23 लाख रुपीज यूपी गवर्नमेंट बेयर करेगी एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जो भी एक्सपेंस आएगा. Hello and welcome back to CapFly's YouTube channel. I am Shatakshi Singh and in today's video we are going to give you a good news, especially for the students who are from Uttar Pradesh and they have a dream of studying abroad, because the UP government has signed a major agreement with the UK's Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office, and this will open doors for some of the brightest students in the state to pursue a fully funded master's degree in the UK. And I'm going to brief you this through an article which you can see on my screen, which says UP government UK FCDO launched joint Chevening scholarships for these students. Now, you might have seen my previous videos on the Chevening scholarship, and this one is a collaboration between the UP government and the Chevening bodies. So I will read out the article for you and I will briefly explain the article to you as well. So what's the announcement? Let's talk about that. On Tuesday, in the presence of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, the state government and the UK's FCDO launched by the Chevening Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Uttar Pradesh State Government Scholarship Scheme. Under this scheme, 5 talented students from UP will be awarded scholarships every year to pursue a master's degree at some of the most prestigious universities in the UK, United Kingdom. This is a first of its kind collaboration designed to give young leaders from UP a global platform. The Uttar Pradesh government and the FCDO UK signed an agreement in the presence of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Tuesday to launch the Chevening Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Uttar Pradesh State Government Scholarship Scheme. As I told you, it will be given to 5 talented students. Now we'll move forward and talk a little bit briefly about the scholarship. What is the scholarship values? CM Yogi Adityanath said the scheme aims to prepare youth for a global leadership role by providing opportunities in the research, education and leadership at an international level. It will learn for 3 academic years from 2025 to 26, 2027 to 28, and with provisions for renewal from 2028 to 29 as well. Inspired by former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the initiative seeks to raise Uttar Pradesh's profile on the global education platform. That means that the scholarship is it will be run for 3 academic years, 25-26, 27-28 and 28-29. 28-29 में हो सकता हो इसकी provisions change हो जाएं. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath explained the vision very clearly. The scheme is about preparing youth for global leadership roles. It's about creating opportunities for education, research and leadership at an international level. As I told you in the previous video as well, that especially during the Chevening scholarship, you have to prove that you are capable of leadership roles. You have the potential, you have the leadership potentials and your end career goal, that whether you want to make a change in the society or not, that is also a very major factor. So in short, this isn't just a short-term scheme, it's a part of a long-term vision to put Uttar Pradesh on the global education map. All right. Now, what the UK officials have said, we'll talk about that as well. And what is the money? How much money matter is involved? We'll talk about that. How much support we are talking about. Each scholarship is worth around 45 to 48 lakh rupees, which is clearly mentioned in this part of the article. The scholarship will cover tuition, examination and research fees, living allowance and airfare. That means आपकी जो scholarship होगी वो आपका tuition fees, living expense, आपका research fees जो भी होगी and along with that आपका return ticket to the UK यानी कि आपका airfare मिलेगा. The cost per student is estimated between £38,048 to £42,076, which is somewhere around 45 to 48 lakh rupees. Of this, the UP government will contribute £19,800, that is 23 lakhs, while the FCDO UK will bear the remaining amount. यानी कि जो 45 लाख टू 48 लाख का अमाउंट है उसमें से 23 लाख रुपीज यूपी गवर्नमेंट बेयर करेगी एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जो भी एक्सपेंस आएगा वो FCDO बेयर करेगा. ब्रिटिश हाई कमिश्नर टू इंडिया लिंडी कैमरॉन who signed the MOU alongside the chief minister said it was a pleasure to formalize the agreement in Lucknow. She noted that 5 students each year will study in the UK on a fully funded scholarship for the next 3 years, describing it as a reflection of deepening India-UK ties. So, the British High Commissioner to India, Lindy Cameron, has said that हर साल 5 बच्चे जाने वाले हैं जो उन्होंने MOU साइन किया है. उसमें ये क्लियरली मेंशन है that अच्छा this agreement is formalized in लखनऊ में इस agreement पे साइन हुआ है and it is mentioned that हर साल 5 बच्चे जाएंगे 3 साल तक के लिए. तो उसका मतलब है कि whosoever is planning to study in the UK in 2025 to 26, 27 to 28 and 28 to 29 onwards, उनके पास ये opportunity होगी to study in the UK and get the Chevening Scholarship. The High Commissioner highlighted that the initiative aligns with Vision 2035. That means, now let's put this in perspective. The Chevening program in India is already the largest Chevening program in the world. Since 1983, more than 3,900 Indian scholars and fellows have been benefited from it. Okay, so UK official, what she has said, that she has pointed out that this program fits into a larger Vision 2035 framework, and she agreed upon during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the UK. And it's not just about the education, it's about strengthening the trade, the business and the cultural links, building upon the free trade agreement talks between the two countries. That means it's more like education की बात तो ये है ही है, साथ ही साथ this agreement gives the free trade agreement negotiations between the two countries, India and the UK. Okay, so now let's talk about the Chevening Scholarship. As I was discussing and I was telling you, the Chevening Scholarship in India is the largest globally, benefiting more than 3,900 scholars and fellows since 1983. If you'll see my Chevening video, I've clearly mentioned that 1983 में Chevening Scholarship मिली थी and मिलना शुरू हुई थी, एंड तभी से इंडिया के 3,900 लोगों को स्कॉलरशिप बेनिफिट कर चुकी है. Alumni have gone on to the work across the sectors including cyber science, policy and development. जितने भी alumni रहे हैं शेवनिंग के वो अलग अलग सेक्टर्स में जा चुके हैं जैसे कि साइंस, साइबर, सिक्योरिटी. So to sum it up, from 2025 onwards, 5 students from Uttar Pradesh will get a fully funded chances to pursue a master's degree in the UK every year under this Chevening Atal Bihari Vajpayee Scholarship Scheme. The funding will be shared by the UP government and the UK's FCDO, making it one of the most powerful India-UK collaboration in the education sector. As you can see on my screen, I have read the full article for you. So if you're a student from UP with big dreams of studying abroad who wants to go to UK, then definitely this scholarship is just for you. Because opportunities like this are rare and highly competitive. हर साल सिर्फ 5 बच्चे जाने वाले हैं and you can be one of the 5. So get ready and I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more such content. Keep watching Catfly. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.